often a question comes in discussion, that is, what is the importance of Act 4 Scene 2? Act 4 Scene 2 is one of the smallest, I think the smallest scene in this entire drama. The smallest scene in the entire drama, and what we have in this particular scene, at the end of Act 4 Scene 1, Bassanio asked Portia many a times that kindly take a token, a gift, as you saved the life of my dear friend. And Bassanio also insisted, Antonio also insisted. So Portia asked for the ring that Bassanio got from Portia in Act 3 Scene 2 and took the gloves of Antonio. Now this Bassanio is not at all ready to give the ring. First he mentioned that he would give the best ring in Venice and he will arrange it somehow, even by making public announcement. And secondarily, what happened? Secondarily, he said that I cannot give this ring because this one I got from my wife as a token of love exactly when he got married. Portia in disguise rejected that theory also, told him that he would take nothing else but the ring. So in Act 4 Scene 1, what happens? In Act 4 Scene 2, we see the ring is taken. Whose ring? Bassanio's ring is taken. Gratiano took the ring and handed over that one to Portia, as well as Nerissa took the ring from Gratiano. Now what is the fact here? This is giving a kind of mediment in Act 5 Scene 1. That is the anticlimax. That is the anticlimax as well as the final scene of the drama. And this Act 4 Scene 1 to many a people may be little bit tragic in nature. Shylock had to hand over all his wealth. That's okay. He was supposed to get converted into Christianity, and one may feel little bit of pity for Shylock. So that seriousness of Act 4 Scene 1 is little bit reduced by Act 4 Scene 2, and it will be finally fully reduced in Act 5 Scene 1, though it is not in your syllabus. It is called the ring scene. And also this is the anticlimax for this drama. And what we will have here, both the wives will blame their husband for losing the ring. The husband will say that no, we had given that one to a lawyer and to a clerk, but the wives will be rejecting that propaganda, saying that no, you have given that one to a lady. You are not loyal, not honest, you are in affair with someone else and you have given those rings out without even thinking about how would your wives feel. So there will be a quarrel regarding this issue of giving ring away, and Shakespeare has craftily done this one, this ring matter or the ring affair, so that there should be some sort of fun in Act 5 Scene 1, and the seriousness that we got in Act 4 Scene 1 as well as in other scenes will get little bit reduced. So we can call it a comic relief, the entire scene, we will call it ring scene. And furthermore, the typical Elizabethan system is introduced here, that the importance of ring and other things, other jewelry is over the human sentiment, affair, love, affection and all these things. So they will be creating little drama, we can call it melodrama with this ring. So that is the value of Act 4 Scene 1, it is giving vent, it is paving the path for the next scene, the anticlimax, Act 5 Scene 1, which is also known as ring scene. This scene is not in syllabus, Act 5 Scene 1, so we will not break our head regarding this particular one. But one thing is for sure, you should know that there will be a quarrel, some domestic disorder, in Belmont regarding the ring, and Antonio will go to Belmont ultimately along with Bassanio, and Antonio will explain that fact, and Portia will reveal that she was the one who went to Venice to save Antonio. So, everything will get revealed and everyone will live happily ever after, but we do not know what happened to Shylock and how did Jessica feel after such incident. Thank you.